Hey, my fabulous! I'm inviting you to join our Grand Thanksgiving and Birthday Raffle Draw on September 23, 2020 at 7 p.m. Pinas time and 1 p.m. Europe time. And we'll be giving away 15,000 pesos worth of gcash load watch hour plus super chats. Some minor prizes plus consolation prizes. So what are you waiting for? Mark it on your calendar now. I warmly thanks to our generous and kind-hearted sponsors. MAGGIE'S, Kaserolas Kitchen, Living Nori Vlog, Jed and Eleanor, with Isabella, Chanel MAGGIE'S Vlog, Madge Adventures, Riz Life Chard, Sky Hanix, Jess and Friends, Extra Rice B Marjo. So Fabs, please do connect, support our super generous sponsors. And don't be late, don't miss it, as you might miss your chance. How to get an entry? Very simple, just join me in my live stream every weekdays. The more entries, the more chances of winning. Take note, your last chance to get more entries is on 21st September, Monday at 8 p.m. Pinas time. And click like, comment in this video for more additional entries. So be there and see you Fabs. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.